Today I'm going to share a folder between two or more computers which are connected within the same local network. And I have a desktop here and a laptop on the other side. So I want to access the folder on the laptop so that I can be able to grab files or even drop them there in case maybe I'm done with my editing or any other thing. So the first thing, this is my computer. This is what I'll be using to access the folder with. And if I click on network, you can see we have this error that the network discovery is turned off. So click on OK. Then we have the top here. Click on that and then turn the network discovery on. So it's on. Alternatively, you can just click on this three dot. This is Windows 11. Go to Properties. Then click on Change Advanced Sharing, and then you make sure this is turned on so that when you go to the other computer, you can be able to see your computer on the network. Like you can see, it's already here. So what you're going to do now, we're going to do the same on the computer that you want to access the folder from, and then we'll be able to see both of them here. The shortest way is just clicking on network. You get this error, click on OK, and then you have this notification up here. Click on it and then click turn on network discovery and file sharing, like that. So now you can see we have this is my desktop and this is this computer, the laptop, and as you can see on this other end on the computer, which is now my desktop, I can be able to see both of them. Now this is now my laptop. If I click on it, you see it will require me credentials. So the shortest way of evading that is just go to the computer where you want to access that folder from, then click on these three dots. This is Windows 11. Windows 10 might be almost exactly the same, but Windows 7 and 8 might be slightly different, but the concept is all the same. So click on Properties. We go back to Advanced Sharing. It will go to the settings, and then you can see here we have all networks. For all networks, you can see password protection, password protected sharing is on. We need to turn this off, and let's see if we can be able to go directly there. Now you can see we are able to do that after clicking on that laptop. We were able to go directly in. So what now we need to do is to now share and specify the folder which you want to share. Now in my instance, I want to share D. Right click on it, show more for Windows 11. For Windows 10, you don't need to click show more, it will just be there. Then you can click on give access to, then click on advanced sharing. Or alternative, you can just click on properties, and then you have this tab here, sharing. Click on it, then click on advanced sharing. Click on that to make sure that that box is checked, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. We go to our computer, we refresh. You can see now we have D. So I don't know whether you have access to, you can click on it, then you can see, yeah, definitely we have access to that folder. You can be able to access everything. So you can control the permissions by going to security. From here, you can be able to edit what the users can be able to do or to access. Now you can be able to limit them so that it will be only read and write, or even let them have full control of the folder such that it can be able to delete or manipulate data within that folder.